this is what Power BI is about. The aim of this video course is to learn how to connect to one or more data sources, to prepare raw data in order to make sense out of it, and to build a modern-looking and engaging dashboard. To achieve this, at first, a quick presentation of Power BI and of its place in a much wider platform called the Power Platform. Then, we will see how to choose and use a connector, how to import data and prepare it, how to link various tables. We will then look at the important key concept to learning DAX, Power BI's formula language, and at its main functions. At last, we will build a state-of-the-art dashboard, including the user's experience in the dashboard's design itself. At the end of the main modules, you will be able to practice and go through one or more exercises. The files required to do the exercises and the solution files can be downloaded. To follow this course, no need for prerequisites, apart from knowing common Windows softwares such as Excel and PowerPoint.